Hey there, Brenda from Roaming and Recording here, and get ready to buckle up for a blast from the past. Today we're jetting off to the TWA Retro Hotel at JFK Airport, a destination that should absolutely be on your bucket list if you're flying through JFK. Yes, it's a splurge, but trust me, it's like stepping into a fabulous 1963 time capsule. If it looks familiar to you, you might have seen a few movies that were filmed on site. We stayed here before flying out to Athens, Greece the next day. So, what's it like? When you check in, you'll be transported back in time right away. The check-in area has been transformed into a vintage gem with a classic flight schedule board, a sunken lounge area, a gift shop, and a groovy bar that sets the tone for your visit. As you explore, you'll find some seriously cool exhibits, including flight attendant uniforms from over the decades, the historic offices of the architect, and Howard Hughes himself, a beauty salon and a twister room, and even a kitschy 1963 living room that's pure nostalgia gold. There are other fun things, but we don't want to spoil all the fun for you. Half the fun is exploring because things are tucked in every corner. Now let's talk food. There's a food court for a quick snack or meal. It's a bit on the pricey side, but hey, think of it as a small price to pay for the ultimate retro experience. There's also a restaurant that's fancy but a bit steep on the wallet. Fish and chips are good, but don't expect a bargain. Don't miss the historic 1958 Lockheed Constellation Connie airplane. That is now a fun cocktail bar. She's not air-conditioned, but she's got tons of character and is perfect for a cocktail that's worth the splurge. Want to watch planes depart as you soak up some sun? There's a rooftop pool overlooking the runway that's open for a free 1.5-hour window in the morning for guests of the hotel. After that, it's $25 an hour. But if you're not staying the night, you can grab a day pass and still enjoy the pool. All right, let's dive into the rooms. TWA Hotel, room 774. And you got an area to hang your clothes. You got a little mini bar. And as you can see, we have a runway view. I'll show that in a minute. Here is the bathroom. This has 2 queens. Very retro. We got a rotary phone, but a flat screen TV. You got a little retro seating, and then you have this amazing view of the planes taking off. And again, the bedroom. I'm coming back that way.
There's one big 380.
What do you think, Craig?
It's pretty cool.
Very cool. All right, and this is the historic view. So, same thing, you got that. It's kind of cool. Area there to hang stuff up. Your bathroom looks the same. No, we can't get that one up there. Oh, that's really cool, Will. That's pretty cool. And he's got the historic view here. That's way cool. Also the chair. there you have it, our 2 different rooms at the TWA Hotel at JFK Airport. Tell us if you've been here, and if so, what did you like the best? And please consider subscribing and giving us a like if you found this content helpful. Until next time, Brenda, for roaming and recording, take care.